Previously, we discussed what is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Given a sequence, we may say whether it is arithmetic progression or not. Given first term and common difference, we may say whether we can form the arithmetic progression. Got it? Now, the nth term, meaning the general term we are going to find. Okay. Have you remembered the naming A1, A2 like we have given, right? Let me take it as the general form of an AP. What is the general form of AP? What we have discussed? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on it goes. This is general form. In that, let me give the term name. T1, first term. T1 means first term. It is A. T2, second term. It is A plus D. T3, third term. A plus 2D. Okay. And T4, A plus 3. Now, what we are going to see is, we need to fix what are all the things are common. What are all the things are changing. With that, this term number should be associated. That like we need to find one format. See, A is fixed in all the terms. Not a problem. So, likewise, Tn also, what we are having, nth term, means A plus. This D is common, but here D is not there. See, we may say it is 0D. Okay. So, the D is also fixed. What varies? The number. This number varies. 0 comes, 1 comes, 2 comes. We need to relate the term number with this number. 1, how it is related with the 0? 1 minus 1 into D. 2, how it is related with 1? The same way 0 is related. A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Then here third term, A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Guess what next one? A plus. Okay. As per the pattern, whatever the number is given here, the term number, less than 1 into D. A plus that number less than 1. So then nth term means n minus 1 into D. Not only this, whenever you need to find the pattern, this is how you need to find. We will say fixed, whatever is the things are fixed in all the things, and then what is varying here and here, that one you have to notice, that you have to relate that with the term number. Okay, got it? So this is called as nth term of an AP, or else general term. Or suppose it has some particular number of terms. It has 10 terms. Then the 10th term, this may be called as in general, how we may say, if m terms are there, this Tm is the last term. Okay, sir, why we have to study this, sir? See, initially we have given some numbers. What number comes in the 540th place? Can you say? Of course, we can say. First term, second term, like we can write everything up to 540th term and we can say. Rather, if we observe this form means directly we can substitute in the formula. That is it. That is why we need to study this. Or else, suppose 10th term is asked. You just continue up to 10th term. No, write the 10th term. 25th term is asked. Continue up to 25 terms and then find the 25th term. Okay, that would be easy, or this would be easy. Okay, so example 3, find the 100th term of the arithmetic progression. So it is 2, 7, 12 and so on. This is the given sequence. So what is our A? First term 2. Common difference D, 7 minus 2, which is 5. Now we need to find T100, 100th term. Okay, we know Tn, right? Or shall we continue this up to 100? We'll find out. It takes much time. Okay, so the formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 2 plus n is 100 minus 1. Oh, sorry, T 100. In place of n, we have to substitute 100. Okay, into D. What is our D? 5. So 2 plus 99 into 5. 450, 45, 495 is it? Okay, then our answer is 497. Okay, therefore statement is important. Therefore, 100th term of the given AP is 497. Like this, you can write. Got it? Next, does it mean that this AP has only 100 terms? It goes beyond that also. At the particular stop, what could be the number we are choosing? Okay. Now, which term of the AP is minus 81? Shall I erase that side? Example 4. Which term of 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? Okay. Here, we need to find the value of n. What is the given AP's first term? 21. Then common difference, which is 3, minus 3. Oh, how it is minus 3? 18 minus 21, so it is minus 3. Now, which number of term is minus 81 we need to find. So, for that, let us take Tn is equals minus 81. Write the formula for Tn. So, A plus n minus 1 into D is equals 80. In this, substitute all the known things. A we know 21, n we don't know, keep it as it is, D we know minus 3 equals minus 81. Okay. Now, carefully transpose things to one side to another side. Transpose this 21 to there, man. How will you transport? What will happen? N minus 1 into minus 3 equals minus 81 minus 21. So, it is minus 102. Now, take this minus 3 to the other side. By minus 3. Okay. Then minus minus will get cancelled. Then here 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 34. Okay. So n minus 1 is equals 34. N is equals, this minus 1 goes there, 35. Is this your answer? Is this your final answer? Therefore, 35th term of the given AP is minus 81. Okay. Got it? Any doubts in this? Okay. Determine the AP. Example 5, I guess. Determine the AP whose third and seventh term. So, third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. Example 5. Whose third term, A3 I am writing, A3 yeah, term not T3 will take. T3 is 5, you have to write that man, give 1, okay, and the T7 is 9, third term is 5 and seventh term is 9, am I right? Yes. Now how do we solve this? To make an AP, what do we need first? First term is needed. A is needed, D is needed. Nothing is given. Only third term is given, seventh term is given. How do we find out? Is there a chance that we can find A and D? We can write the formula for this. We know that Tn is equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now T3 is equals A plus 3 minus 1 into D equals 5. So what we have is A plus 2D equals 5. Likewise, when you substitute over there, A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equals 9. So A plus 6D is equals 9. What we can do with these two equations? Any other things comes to your mind? Linear equation in two variables, remember? So mark this is first equation, mark this is second equation. Either it is 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 2. How do you solve this? Elimination method. Okay. Elimination method, what is the thing that you check first? Whether any coefficient is having, any variable is having same coefficient or not, we have to check. So any coefficient is having, any variable is having same coefficient. So A plus 2D equals 5, A plus 6D equals 9. Am I adding or subtracting? Subtract, then change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Only the changed sign is valid. So A minus A, it is 0. So we are cancelling things out. 2D minus 6D minus 4D. Okay, that is why I told you change the sign is valid. 2D minus 6D. Wait. Here 5 minus 9, how much? Minus 4. So minus minus will get cancelled. Then D is equals 1. Okay, we got D. How do you find A then? Substitute D is equals 1 in the first equation. Okay. So the first equation, A plus, that only has simple number, right? A plus 2 plus 1 equals 5. Then A is equals 3. That is it, A and D we found. A and D we found. Where is the AP, man? AP is not there. Is this our final answer? The required AP, N and L don't want, man. A we found, D we found. That is enough to form the AP, right? Now A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. A is how much? 3. A plus D means 3 plus 1. A plus 2D, 3 plus 2 times 1 and so on. 3 terms you write, that is enough. So therefore, the AP is 3, 4, 5 and so on. Got it? Any doubts on this? Okay. Next. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers. Read the question carefully. Check whether 301 is the list of the numbers. 5, 11, 17. Example 6. Wait, man, that is a catch. Tell me the numbers. 15, 11, 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on it goes. See, in the question itself they gave list of numbers. So we need to check whether it is AP or not in the first place. Okay. So here 11 minus 5. How much, man? 6. The same will be given by 17 minus 11. So therefore it is, not therefore, then it is an Then we can apply all the formulas. Okay, what is A, man? It is AP with A is equals 5, D is equals 6, let Tn is equals 301. We don't know which term it is. But the question asked is whether 301 is a term or not, they asked. What we took is, it is a term, of nth term we'll take. Okay. Now apply the formula. Why we are doing in this manner? A plus n minus 1 into D is equals 301. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into D is how much? 6. 301. Then this 5 goes there. Then what we are having is n minus 1 into 6 is equal 301 minus 5. 296. So n minus 1 is equals 296 by 6. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24, right? Wait, man. 4 6 are 24. Then carry over 5. 56. 56 we are not having in 6 table. 9 6 are 54, right? So 9 point. Then how much is left? 3. Oh, 49.3. Man, 96 na. Okay, 52. Then carry over 4. 40. Why again 3? This not 3. See, 4 6 are 24. Carry over 5 56. 9 6 are 54. Then 2. Okay, 3. Sorry, my bad. So 49.3. Then minus 1 it goes there. N minus 1 is equals 49.3. N is equals 50.3. Is this even possible? First term, second term we may say. 0.5th term we may say. So it is not a whole number. It is not a counting number. So it is not a counting number. Therefore, So therefore 301 is not in the list. Is not a term of the given list. Got it? Any doubts in this? These are all major types of question related to this exercise. Okay. Now take the exercise. There are application type of questions there that we will see later. See the first question, man. First 5.2 first question. Shall I erase everything? Exercise 5.2 first question. A, D, N and A, N is given. They are simply playing hide and seek. First one, A is 7, D is 3, N is 8. Then A, N is not given. Then what do we need to find? A8 is equals A plus 7D. A is how much? 7 plus 7 into D is how much? 3. So it is 7 plus 21. It is 28. AN is 28. Likewise, see the next question. Minus 18 is A. D is not given. N is 10. And this one is 0. Meaning A10 is equals 0. Okay. Okay, because n is equals 10. Then substitute the known values. A plus 9d equals 0. A is how much? Minus 18. Minus 18 plus 9d equals 0. Then we have d is equals 2. Okay. Minus 18 transpose to the other side plus 18. Hide and seek simply. Next, third one. Who is hiding this time? A is hiding. Same procedure. Can you say the answer? First tell me the equation like this. This A, what number? A18 is equals minus 5. So A plus 17D equals minus 5. A is hiding. We'll substitute this. 17 into minus 3 equals minus 5. Then 30, 21, 51 is it? Minus 51 equals 5. Then A is minus 5, sorry. 46. Okay. Got it? Here B is equals. Next, fourth subdivision. Who is hiding now? N. Same procedure. Instead of N, we have to equate. Got it? You do the remaining questions. Now, second question. 30th term of the AP we need to find. How do you find? A30. N is equals to 30. We have to apply. Apply and find out the answer. Make it fast. Come on, make it fast. No, that is wrong. A30 you have to find, man. What is A? A is 10. D is minus 3. Then A30 we have to find. A plus 29D. A is 10. 29 into minus 3. 29 into minus 3 how much? 60, 27, 87, right? Yeah, minus 87. Oh, okay. Then you are correct. Minus 77. Okay, good. And then 11th term of the AP that you can already do, right? Okay. Now look at the third question. That may looks like easy to you, but there is a catch. What is the catch? Do you know? That box is there. Okay. What's wrong in the box? See, man. Shall I erase everything? See the first subdivision, 2, 1 box and then 26. How do you approach this question means, given that A is equals to, because first term, 1, 2, 3, third term, A3 is 26. We need to find A2. Okay. How do you find A3? Write the formula. A plus 2D is equals 26. Then A you substitute here. 2 plus 2D is equals 26. And then 2D is equals 24. D is equals 12. Okay. So D is equals 12. Now A2, how do you find? A plus B. A we already know. 14. First question over. Then second subdivision. Two things are not there. Box 13, box 9. Oh, sorry, 3. Now, mark this using your pencil. A1, A2, A3, A4. So, we need to, we are given A2 and A4. A2 is equals 13, A4 is equals 3. And we need to find A1 and A3. How do you find A2? That is A plus B is equals 3. A4, A plus 3D is equals 13, 13 and 3. Okay. Now, we need to find A and D. After that, we can find A1 and A. Elimination method. Okay. Will you do it? Come on, do it and say the answer for A. Make it fast. Do it along with me. Minus 3 by 2. D is equals minus 5. Okay. Then A is equals okay. Substitute in the first equation. Okay. Now A is equal to 8. In the first box that is coming. A3, how do you find? 18 plus 2, D is minus 5. So 8. Okay. Got it? Now third subdivision, you are going to answer. Tell me, how will you approach the third subdivision? Third, A is equal to 5 and third subdivision, man, A is equals to 5. A1 is equals to 5. A1 is A, first term. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 is 9 by 2. Like the same. Substitute that first term into that one. We'll find out, figure out. Okay. And we need to find A2 and A3, right? After finding A and D, we'll choose this. Take your pencil, using your pencil, mention A1, A2, A3 upside that number. Okay. That box, what are all things you need to find. At last, therefore statement, write those numbers together. Okay. Then fourth subdivision, what are all the things is given? Can you say? Write A1, A2, A3. A1 is minus 4. No, it is sixth term, man. That is why I told you to count using your pencil. A1, A2, A3, like count. Did you count or not? You count, but you lost your count, right? Then fifth subdivision, how will you do? A2 is 38. A2 is equals 38 and A6 is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, A6. That two equation we can solve. Okay. Next, fourth question. Which of the following which term of the AP is 78? How will you do? Tn is equals 78. 3 not 1 na? No, that is check whether it is term or not like A. This one, which term they are asking? Both are same only, but Tn is equal 78 you have to take. Okay. Next, find the number of terms in each of the following AP. How will you find the number of terms? Last term is given, right? So, An is equals 205. Then what n comes, that many number of terms are there. If fifth term is 205, now how many terms are there? Fifth term is last term, now how many terms are there? Fifth term is last term, man. Then how many terms are there? 5. That is why. Likewise, second subdivision, what you will take? What is for minus 47, man? An is equals minus 47, n value we have to find. Check whether minus 150 is the term or not. How will you check? Same, An is equals minus 150, and then if n comes like a counting number, natural number, we say it is a term. Suppose decimal it is coming, we say it is not a term. Okay, got it? And seventh question, last question. Still some questions are there. 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is, we have to find the 31st term of an AP. 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73. Which two equations you will frame? 11th and 16th term. That equation you have to find. A11, how much? 11th term, how much? $38, and 16th term 73. Using this equation, find A and D. After that, A31 you can find. Okay. After this, A31 you can find. Got it? Tomorrow is holiday, right? For you. Okay. You try these questions, man. All these questions, try by yourself. Check yourself. Then next application oriented question we'll see in the next session. Okay.